know that funny combined with creative? Okay, an umbrella just flew away by that's crazy.
I don't even know what I want no more, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time. I know.
It's so hard to record a video when it's windy on the beach and your hair is going crazy at the same time.
Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to a brand new video here on my YouTube channel, Nemo TV. You know, I was tired of recording all the videos in the studio, so I was like, there's this beautiful beach out there, so let's just take the whole studio to the beach. So today we are going to be talking about how to grow your Instagram account as a content creator. I'm talking about photographer, videographers. So the type of content that I do is creating commercials, cinematic videos, photography. So throughout the last year, I've been testing different types of videos on Instagram to see which one actually performs better and how we can beat the Instagram algorithm that keeps changing on a weekly basis. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what type of content you can actually start making that has actually worked for me, and I've been growing my YouTube channel like crazy throughout the last couple of weeks. So this is going to be sharing real data, real content that I've been making on my own Instagram account that has helped me just grow organically, and just it keeps going. And I'm going to just actually show you the actual data and give you some insights on what type of content actually works best as a content creator, and you can actually implement the same method on your own Instagram account and start growing it organically, because there is a huge loads of people that are going to be interested in seeing your content. And if you don't use these tricks or these tools that I'm going to be telling you in order to craft that content that you are pushing out on your Instagram account, they won't be able to see that. So if this is your first time watching my videos and you have no idea what I do, I'm really into making cinematic videos, short videos, product commercials, and photography, of course. So on my YouTube channel, I have a whole bunch of tutorials on editing, the behind the scenes of commercials, and I try to post like short clips of the behind the scenes and the final scene Adobe Premiere Pro timelines on my Instagram account. At the end of the day, there were 3 types of content that really helped me grow and actually got that real engagement. In my opinion, having a creative piece of content is not what you need. People are into seeing some crazy equipment, like some type of lens that they don't usually see out there, and implementing those and showing how you can have those as a part of your tools in order to create that piece of content is something that really helped me took off. For example, I use the Laidback Pro lens for creating a simple cinematic commercial, and it was nothing crazy. And I posted the actual video over here, which did pretty good. So if I go to insights, 36 saves, 174 likes, which was really high back in time for my channel. And I actually showed up on the explore page. As you can see, I got like over 4,000 views just from the explore page. Now, what I did to make a comparison, I also posted the behind the scenes of how I actually use the prop lens to do that. And surprisingly, I showed up also on the explore page, but the only difference between this and the previous video was me actually showing the prop lens. This got 1,434 saves and over 68,000 views, but 1,085k reach, and it's mostly from the explore page, as you can see over here. So what was the big difference between this and the previous one? First of all, I'm showing behind the scenes, but I've been showing behind the scenes since the beginning in all of my videos, but they didn't do well like this. But I was using the prop lens to create that, which is not the type of lens that you see on daily basis. So I think having this and implementing it to create the same piece of content has made a huge difference in showing up on the explore page. We all know that funny combined with creative. Okay, an umbrella just flew away by That's crazy. Anyways, combining creativity with humor works also really good. So I posted this not behind the scenes, just a timeline of a commercial we did for Pompao. I just combined the timeline on Adobe Premiere Pro with the actual video, and it just took off crazy, but it took about a week. So 122,000 reach, and it's, as you can see, it's mostly from the Explore page. If you can get to the Explore page, it's done. And I gained about over 700 followers out of this. From the previous video, and can you guess how many followers I gained? I've gained, where is it? Follows. I gained 1,595 followers out of just this piece of content. And so the humor, which was in the Pompao video, did really well. Stuff that touches people's heart, like having a cinematic piece of content combined with a really good music, was the way I succeeded with the last one. The last project that I did was something that I was on a trip with my girlfriend Lisa, and then I just decided this place is so beautiful. Let me just create some random shots and bind it together and put a cool music that I really love, which was a really emotional song by Shajarian, which is really beautiful. So combining this good music with these cool shots, even with not showing any behind the scenes, did really well in comparison to my other content types. 240 saves, over 700 likes, and almost 80 shares, and I gained about 142 followers just from this video. There is no educational thing about this. It's just a good piece of content which touches people's heart. And I ended up showing up again on the Explore page with 34,000 impressions. And then, so the content by itself did well. So what happens if I actually show the behind the scenes, which did crazy good? So I combined the behind the scenes, and damn, this video got 2,304 saves so far, and over almost 500 shares, and I've gained almost 2,000 followers out of this video. So let me show you. I've been doing this for a long time, but as you can see, this one was also the same. But what is the thing that makes a big difference? So first of all, I think using the unique equipment and showing the behind the scenes does really good. Having humor combined with creativity is really good. I do not recommend Reels as a content creator because these are not evergreen content. The Reels will give you followers, but they die over time. What has worked best for me is just a 60 seconds or less video content that I'm showing the creative aspect of what I'm doing using unique equipment and combined with the correct hashtags. And once you get to the Explore page, guys, it's done. Make sure that you review the analytics of your content so you know which one is doing best. The goal for content creators like us, like photographer, videographer, is to be able to get into the Explore page. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. Let me know below in the comments if you had any questions about this. Go check out my Instagram and see the numbers for yourself. Do a comparison between different types of content I've been doing and see how the last 5-6 videos that I've been doing using the same method has been helping me grow crazy. I already show you the numbers. And if this was your first time watching my videos, make sure to subscribe, turn on your bell notification, and until the next video, I'm going to leave you to some cool drone shots of Miami Beach. Please be safe and mokhlas. Damn, we had an umbrella flying almost over into our camera equipment. My hair is going crazy. My phone's battery is dying. I just got a reply from B&H Photos, and the folks, the beach guards are waking up and opening their thing. Yeah, that was fun. Although I ran out of coffee. People are starting to wake up. It's getting crazy. It's better get the fuck out of here.